Thokozani ugogo nomkhulu sali kwasendoda leso ugogo bathini bathi uma kuvula kuvela emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha. Hey, we talking, or I'm responding to many questions. Many questions that have been asked to say, Gogo, what about this? How does Amaboys works? How do I make sure ukuthi I take the right ones? Gogo, how do I see if my partner has Amaboys or not? Gogo, Amaboys this. Gogo, I want Amaboys. Gogo, I want that. Gogo, I want that. Gogo, I want that. And I've asked myself, okay, if I do this video, how can I best do it in such a way that it doesn't affect or it doesn't send a wrong message out there? Because this is a family orientated channel. So I need to be careful of what I say, because I don't do videos to trend. I do videos to educate. I do videos to inform people in terms of saying, be careful of this. Make sure that you do this. Are you aware of this? This is where you can get this. So I sat down and I said, okay, the best way to do this is to invite people for consultation about knowledge of Amaboys. Rather than me coming in this platform and say to you guys, yeah, we have Lokuzana Amaboys are so. There's Amaboys are so. There's Amaboys are so. If you see this person behaving this way and everything, it means this person has Amaboys, which means this person has utwele or whatever, which is not fair. Because if I do that, you are going to see those signs, symptoms, actions, and only to find out that guy or that person doesn't have Amaboys. But the things that he's doing or his behavior or her actions are exactly the same as what Ugogo Batin has said on this platform. And then what is going to say to you? It's going to confirm manje na ukuthi definitely this person has Amaboys, only to find out ukuthi this person doesn't have Amaboys. They don't have Amaboys. So let's unpack this in such a way that it gives us a knowledge more than empowers us to criticize things that looks like. Things that looks like. It is not. It looks like as if it's what Ugogo Bathini Mbatha was saying regarding Abantu that has Amaboys, which is not true. Which is totally not true. So, Amaboys works differently. The terms and conditions that are given about Amaboys, they work different from a breeder to a breeder, from the minimum breeders that we have into the entire world. Not that I've traveled the whole world to find out, but I have searched because I know how to search, particularly for such things. I've just got a call a few weeks ago about the order that was placed 4 years ago. 4 years ago. I've just got a call few weeks ago. It's not far, just a few weeks ago. I didn't know what to do. One, I'll tell you something what happened. One, the person is nowhere to be found. One, a person has died. One, a person, we're no longer even talking. So there are many things that just happen. And I said to myself, patience sometimes pays off. Because the insults that I got, I didn't take those insults to the breeder. Because I trust the breeder. I know exactly why I went there, and this thing was explained well to me. But I blamed myself. I didn't explain well to my client now. And that's why the client ended up not seeing eye to eye with them. So, breeders, they breed differently and for different reasons. And they breed differently for different industries of businesses. So, there's a industry that deals with mining. There's Amaboys that deals with mining. Strictly mining. They don't do anything else. You'll take them to your fish and chips or to your tavern. They will get into your fish and chips. They will eat and sleep. They will get into your fish and chips. Let's say your fish and chips is this side, your tavern is next door. They will get into your fish and chips. They will eat and finish stock. They will go to your tavern and drink your liquor for free and get drunk and do fuck all for you. That time ilalela Uchimile, your stock is packed. Your fish and chips is well stocked. And they will even finish the food that is not cooked. Uncooked ingredients of whatever that you are selling. Why? Because of you fetched something that says Amaboys. Without asking, will this work on my industry? My industry is mining. I'm just going to give you a few industries that I've done thoroughly research on to say, how does this work? Because I've bothered myself because you ask me, because you trust my source of information. So I need to get that information from the horse's mouth. I must not just sit down here and just think to say, I am Amaboys. I'm Amaboys. No, it doesn't work like that. Industry is very important. I did not know that 4 years ago. I accept. Bengas. Now I know. Why do I only know now? I have bothered myself. I have bothered myself to find out why will a person says they went to fetch Amaboys and they come back, they are not working? What makes them not to work? Then I came up with what I'm sharing with you now. So I'm not, again, allow me to repeat this. I'm not going to talk about the ins and outs, the terms and conditions a lot, or the signs, the symptoms, the what. No, I'm not going to go there because you are going to misinterpret me. You are going to misrepresent me out there. You are going to edit this video and just focus on that part. And then I'm going to make people to fight for nothing. Because sometimes some other behaviors or actions or rituals or terms and conditions, they work exactly as of scope. Your normal scope in Japan, it works exactly the same. But only to find out this person doesn't have Amaboys, they only have a scope. So we spoke about the industry of mining. There's Amaboys. Okay, let's go to the mining still. The mining, those are Amaboys that they go there and do the job. And those are the ones that are lalela. They will bring you your minerals without any mkonyovu kind of a situation. They would come and deliver to you as you've assigned them. Then we get to another one that was very interesting. This one I'm going to put it together with a tracking business. So this one is tracking business and courier business. So I'll put it together and say that works in logistics, but specifically on two parts of logistics: trucks and courier services. You've got a certain, you are being paid for a certain number of loads. You are being paid for a certain number of parcels that you delivered. There is that deals with that industry, which is logistics. You know, finding myself on the call until my ear it's burning, changing the ear on speaker, what, and getting this information. As I said, that the caller received weeks ago, it did something. You know, if ever bengisabhlaba bengizolala ngidakiwe. That's how excited I was. If I was still drinking alcohol, I was going to be pooped wrong. I was going to be pooped wrong of excitement to say, finally, the call I've been waiting for 4 years. 4. Yen twe diri fir. Yen twe drir. Fir. Yare. Waiting. Ay, shy Africans. Ay. Mr. Tabet. Miss Tebe. Memudisane from Silelekela. If you are still alive, I know Memudisane has passed on. May her soul rest in peace. But I'm sure Memudisane, where you are looking back and say, that's my product. I taught him that Afrikaans, Prat Afrikaans, Mooi Afrikaans, Zulu Afrikaans, Nohan. So that those boys, they deal with that. Lalela, they deal with logistics. It's about parcels. It's about loads. Cross-border, locally, it doesn't matter. They are there for that. Again, you take those boys and you take them and you go and put them at your tavern. You are just making Ama boys to be drunkards. Like old Koko Batinibat. You're making Ama boys akuti abezita gwanjena. They are going to drink your alcohol and do fuck all. Let's pass. There is Ama Boys that deals with entertainment industry. They don't do anything else. Lalela, their job is to go and fetch people from their taverns and make sure that people, they come and fill up your venue. And make sure that things are happening into your entertainment. Into entertainment, those ones, they work differently. They work on entertainment in terms of the events that you've organized, and they work on entertainment in terms of the music or whatever entertainment that you are dealing with. Whether you want people to listen to your music or to be popular, to be loved, to be whatever, people to follow you, to trend, to do what, they are about the entertainment space only. They will never do anything. They will never go and sell amapia. They will never go and sell your alcohol. They will never go and do the mining for you. They will do, they are breeded. Because when the breeder breeds these things we must remember, it's a witchcraft. Let's not run away from the word witchcraft. What I'm talking about, it's a pure witchcraft. So it's science. So when that science is being done, the end results has everything to do with how this science has been started. If you want somebody, if somebody, I don't want to do this example. Let me think of something. I nearly did a wrong example. If somebody is doing something for somebody to lose their hair, it's not a poison that can kill somebody. They are dealing with whatever pigment or whatever that deals with issues of hair into your body. That's why we have people that they do not have a hair at all. Eyebrows, whatever, eyelashes, hair, izinza, they do not have at all. Because of the specific thing that it's a condition from birth, or somebody did something to them to lose hair into their body. I'm just giving you a typical example so that we are on the same page when we talk about this, because I want us to have a follow through of our videos from when we started talking about boys donkey years ago, snakes donkey years ago. But now I'm sharing with you. I couldn't share it weeks ago because I was way too excited. Lalela, it was a call that one of the calls that I'll never forget in my life. I was way excited. I was going to be disturbed because somehow I felt drunk after receiving that call. And thanks God that I've made one call and I got an assistance to honor my order. And thank you, Mkhulu and you, Gogo. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. I really, really, really appreciate what you did for me. I really appreciate it. And you know that I do have gratitude for you guys. So, those, they deal with entertainment. That's it. That's it. Then I'm getting to this one. I didn't want to do this one, but this example, but I have to. There's a one that deals with a funeral industry. Funeral industry. And on this one, I didn't want to talk about it, but at the same time, I wanted to educate about this one. On the funeral industry, these boys, they do not go and kill people. No, they do not kill. Don't listen to people who are misleading you because of their jealousy of that funeral parlor, their jealousy of that funeral services, their jealousy of that funeral home, whatever it's called. And then you say that person kills people. No. If somebody kills people, it's a criminal offense. It's a murder. Those people must be arrested. I'm talking about Ama boys that will direct families to that particular funeral home. The person has died already. So on this example, I'm going to stick to cash funerals. I'm not going to stick to policies. These boys, they do not focus on members, on your policies. With these members are going to or and everything. It doesn't work like that. If it did, I would have been rich by now because I'm in the same business. It doesn't. It doesn't. During COVID, I didn't even have one funeral on my business, on COVID. Not even one. I know of people during COVID, they were busy because of they have a lot of members and they're genuine, they're what they have been known and everything. But I was not busy. So, the one that I'm talking about, it focuses on cash funerals. So that if somebody gets into your funeral parlor, inquiring and everything, lalela, no matter what, they will pay. You got a business, off you go. Off you go. Lastly, food and beverages industry. Shops, food, alcohol, cold drinks, whatever that has to do with getting inside this thing that we normally don't even know how to close this after eating, then we end up speaking too much. Which I've got my boys. Food industry. Food industry. Anything that has to do with food. If somebody is hungry, the only thing they can think of is amagunya that you make. The only thing you can think of is your ribs that you make. The only thing you can think of to have fun is your place. People, they get into your place, they enjoy. You know what? Sometimes you find your space, it's so tiny, but it's always packed. There's that are dealing with that. Straight, 99 and only. Bonus one that I want to give to you. Service-based products. Service-based products. Service. that has everything to do with engineering. Scaffolding, lifts, hydraulics, anything that has to do with engineering. There is Amaboys that deals with that, specifically with that, and nothing else. Nothing else. I actually have two bonuses. The ones that deals with industries, that has to do with engineering. They deal with that only. They will never take them to food and beverages. They will never work. They will just eat and leave you dry. Last bonus. On my examples, the ones that deals in what people love so much, tenders. Tenders. Lalela man, you know this person man ukuthi didn't deliver. This person was supposed to carry our kids to school. This person was supposed to build that 5 kilometers a pavement on that township. They ate money, but they still got a lokozan. Yeah. The one of my tender, it's very complicated, but there is that deals with that alone. So when you're going out there and source whatever you're going to source to your healer that you ask, please ask this question. What industry does this work on? The ones that works on holistically on any industry and everything, they are even scarce to find. It's not easy to source. It is not easy to find. It is not. Those ones are not easy. They are even difficult to find, because this is what happened into the space of Amaboys. What happened is the breeders not sitting together, because there's no organization of farmer breeders, without sitting together, but they thought on their own, Uguti, for me to be outstanding, let me specialize. So Amaboys, they specialize. They specialize. Yes, there's a general terms and conditions like a GP, but they also specialize. Uguti, let me go deeper on this particular one. So if you go in there to source Amaboys and everything, please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Even if you want to go to Mozambique, Malawi, wherever, wherever, you can go. But you need to know where you're going. You need to know where you're going. You need to know what are you going to take. Even if you can go locally, there are people that deals with them locally. You need to know where are you going, because you will be wasting your money. The last thing you need is to take your money into nje. You may as well take whatever amount of money, put it in a imbaula and burn it. It's the same as going to look for something that you don't know. You don't know. So I'm going to leave it there. It's just a tip. If you want knowledge to say how to see ama symptoms, Gogo, I'm suspecting Uguti Usbanban is doing this, Gogo, I'm suspecting this, Gogo, what. All I can say, Uguti, let's have a conversation. Come and let's do sihlole, let's do a consultation, let's have a conversation to find out Uguti, what you are suspecting, is it true or not, rather than you taking a video of Gogo Batini Mbata and just put it on a family group. There's somebody that edited my video, and then after editing it, they've posted into their channel. It was trending. It had about 3 million viewers. And then after that, people have downloaded those videos and they've loaded them into family WhatsApp groups. It was a disaster. It was a disaster. I remember this lady says to me, Gogo, the family knows that I'm using you. And I got a job because of I'm using you and everything. So if this family can now see this video, which is not posted by me, into a family a group, we don't know that number, who that number belongs to. Obvious, Gogo, if I mean to say I'm the one that has uploaded that video, which means I'm saying umalume uyaloy, which means I'm saying umzala has something, which means I'm saying umkhulu has ama boys. Gogo, I'm in trouble, and we don't need that, guys. We don't need that. Here's the question that I want to close with, which I liked very, very much throughout. I think it's one of the ones that I love very much throughout. The questions that I have about people who are into Uktwala. Somebody asked me very profound and intelligent question. Gogo, do everybody that is wealthy, that is successful, that is doing well, has ama boys? Gogo, please answer me honestly. I'm answering you now. I remember I did phone you and we spoke about this for about an hour or so. And I remember, I won't mention your name, I remember calling me on WhatsApp. I was in Malawi. And you asked, we had a conversation and you said, Gogo, thank you, because what I've told you and the assignment I gave you have proven you wrong on your suspicions, suspecting your suspicions that one of your family member is wealthy because of they have my boys. And you said, Gogo, thank you for empowering me. Please do a video about it. I didn't want to do a long video about specifically that alone. But I want to close with that to say, not everybody that is wealthy, successful, hardworking, progressive, whatever you may call it, has used something. There are people that are successful, they are wealthy without using anything, without even believing into anything. They don't believe in ancestors. They don't believe there is a devil. They don't believe in God. They don't believe in anything, and they are filthy rich. Filthy rich. They are lalela. They are filthy rich. They've got healthy children. They are successful in life. Things are happening. So it's not about everything that is happening there, or for you to achieve something, you need to belong somewhere, to a certain congregation, to a certain political party, to a certain what. I know of people who don't belong anywhere, but they are inquisitive. They just want to know that and that and that and that, in general. And others, we have conversations with them as people, we talk and everything, and you can see this person, they do not have problems that needs muti. Whatever problems and challenges that we have, they can solve them, because not all the challenges as well that we have that needs a solution of umuti. So bear that in mind. That's how I want to wrap up this video, so that it is not misleading at the end of the day. It does not send a wrong message at the end of the day. It doesn't destroy families that are destroyed already. However, this video must build family structures. This video must make people to be able to realize they do not need other things for them to be successful. There's discipline out there that is there for people, that other people are utilizing for them to be where they are today. Sarwa sendo tuko kubatini but thokozani, till next time.